How to add Marketplace to Facebook shortcut bar. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook. And once you do that, you can see that the Marketplace is missing from the shortcut bar. So in order for you to add it there, just click on the three lines at the top right corner, then click on settings, and here you need to scroll down to the preferences section, and from there click on shortcuts, then click on shortcut bar. In the available shortcuts, you can see that the Marketplace shortcut has a drop down menu next to it, so click on it, and then from these options select pin to keep this shortcut in your navigation bar. Once the shortcut has been pinned, you need to close Facebook and then open it again. And as you can see, the Marketplace shortcut has been added to the shortcuts or navigation bar. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add the Marketplace shortcut to your navigation or shortcut bar. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.